Here's how Encube works. But in this video, I want to focus on a few specific things: how we attribute project-verified skills to employees using our AI engine, and how we facilitate skill pathing via our software skills ontology. First, let's take a look at the skills attribution process. It starts by connecting to the project tools that software developers use on a daily basis. Developers simply do their daily work in the regular tools that they normally use, like JIRA and GitHub, and nothing else. Then the tasks and Git check-ins from those systems come through our AI engine, which uses natural language processing to infer skills based on text from task descriptions, file names and file types, and repository names. Those skills are categorized and attributed to the employees who are either assigned a specific task or who committed something to a code repository. This brings us to real-time talent profiles and the skills ontology. Encube's talent profiles serve as a source of project-verified skills. These skills are captured based on actual work done at the company, which provides a more evidence-based view of each individual's work and, collectively, the profiles help form a growing repository of institutional skills and knowledge for the company. But we don't stop there. We've also built a skills ontology to capture the complex relationships between different software skills to deliver skill or career pathing based on what someone knows, what someone wants to learn, or what they could improve on. Before we dig into that, first let's dig deeper into the AI-powered skills attribution process. You see that project tasks and Git commits go through the AI engine, and skills are then attributed to employees as a result. These skills are separated into several different categories, including high-level categories like tech stack, which captures technologies and frameworks, technical competencies, which covers technical areas that cut across different tech stacks, functional knowledge, covering areas that pervade the programming world across different tech stacks, as well as industry experience, which covers domain areas related to specific industries. This skills library is a good segue into speaking about the skills ontology, because while it's adequate for the skills attribution step, it lacks the full depth of understanding of skills as they exist in the software development world. The skills ontology is a way for us to go well beyond the limitations of a two-dimensional library and capture the multi-dimensional world of technology, where skills and technologies relate to one another in a variety of ways. Our skills ontology identifies complex relationships between thousands of different software skills and competencies. It provides a more comprehensive view of skills at a company and supports more complex talent management programs like individually tailored learning and development programs and mentorship programs, and also more informed decision-making, so that if you're in the midst of a hiring freeze, we can provide a more detailed view of what skills you have available and, based on the relationships between different skills, identify opportunities for reskilling or upskilling when hiring outside people really isn't an option. Let me explain with a single technology, JavaScript in this case. We establish relationships to it in a variety of different ways. It could be in a natural learning progression, so if you're an aspiring front-end developer and you know CSS, you could learn JavaScript. Or the other way around, if you're looking for JavaScript resources, you can instead look for people who already know HTML and CSS and train for JavaScript. Or if you know that people already know JavaScript, you can train for JavaScript frameworks like React.js. Or relationships can go up and down the tech stack. So toward the back end with Node.js, or toward the front end with a web prototyping tool like Sketch. You can also have relationships between alternate or substitute or competing technologies, like Elm and TypeScript, which compile to JavaScript but are considered separate skills from JavaScript. In another example, say you're looking for Scala resources. Maybe you don't have many or any of them, but what you could do is see all of the people at the company who know different object-oriented programming languages who could be best suited to learn it. Some languages may be better suited than others as a springboard for learning Scala, and the skills ontology will help you sort out the best opportunities to prepare your software teams for your company's future direction. So that's a bit more about how Encube works. Once you've uncovered the skills and have attributed them to employees, and you have set out skill paths for them to advance in their careers, you can focus on a variety of different talent management and project management workflows to unleash those skills. If you want to dig into these use cases in a live demo of the Encube platform, please reach out to schedule a demo.